We will discuss in this tutorial adjusting the sound card, which is essential for the proper functioning of VOCALAB. Access to the microphone slider adjustment is done by right-clicking on the speaker icon located above the bottom right of the screen. Click Recording Devices. Double-click on Microphone and Level. The top slider allows fine-tuning of the microphone, while the optional bottom slider allows a coarse adjustment. In VOCALAB, click Evaluation Spectrum Real Time with the bottom tab in Power Mode. Click Microphone. Pronouncing a vowel A in conversational mode, the level should be slightly below the red line. Here I am in the yellow voice call, so I have to decrease the level of the microphone. I am now in the window setting icon in the lower band, and I push the top slider on the left in order to place myself between green and red. The sound card is now well adjusted.